Check this out, boys. Little gas station takeover with Nick and his Audi R8, and then a beautiful blue Aventador SV. This thing is so insane. And then also Jim's Lamborghini Huracan. Damn, this thing's clean. Check this beauty out. And then a beautiful Aventador SV. God damn. And then Jim and his Artura.
You found her. I don't even know where she went.
What up? What's up, dude? What up, dude? Golly, this is one insane little meetup that we have, boys. And then the lighting here is so insane. Check this out. Golly, that's an insane setup right there. What do y'all think about this SV though? We've never seen this one before. This is a really, really clean blue color. Alright boys, so right now I'm doing a little bit of a POV because I just put the camera on the top of my head and we're gonna walk into this show. We saw all the boys rolling up right now and I just put on my f1.8 lens on my camera. So yeah, we're gonna check out the show. Hopefully it's a pretty good one and hopefully y'all enjoy. We can already see the Aventador SV parked up here and Nick's Audi R8. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be a good turnout. Supercar owners can't park for shit. Look at that. Freaking Nick over here on the line. Fucking shitty ass parking job he got. The Sony A7C2?
Yeah, I'm running a Sony A6000.
A6000? Okay. You just starting off?
Yeah.
Nice. That's a good starter camera. That's the one that I hear that every single person starts off with, and it's really good.
It does everything it needs to.
Yeah. What are you doing, photography or video?
Photography.
Okay.
Video's
nice.
too hard, to be honest. At least until I get something a little nicer.
Yeah, I mean, you can do everything with your phone, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, that's what I used to do. And
okay.
then I got this, now I was like, now I have to actually like walk over it.
Oh yeah. It's pretty fun. It's interesting to learn all the camera settings and all that stuff.
It took me like until like a week ago to figure out how to use like this.
Okay.
Shutter speed, I think.
Yeah. Bro, don't worry, I always like that too. Is this your first camera?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
First one, and
nice.
I'm working on it. I got Lightroom and everything now.
You started with an actual full frame camera. I started with like a little GoPro. So I started from like the very bottom and then I started kind of working my way up.
I started with my phone and then I was on that as long as I can remember.
That's awesome, man. I mean, as long as you can do it with whatever you have, that means you got dedication to do whatever you got to do with that thing. Man, what do y'all think of this BMW M2? I feel like this thing is super duper clean. The white wheels are absolutely insane. I feel like that white wrap is super duper clean as well. Or the blue wrap, I should say. Really nice little duckbill wing. Yeah, that's really nice. Damn, I really like this BMW right here. It has the carbon fiber engine brace right there. It looks super duper good. Carbon fiber intake. Golly, and then he has the yellow headlights. I'm guessing he's on bags as well because I don't remember him coming in this low to the ground. Has a carbon fiber side skirt, carbon fiber diffuser, carbon fiber wing. This is a swan neck wing as well. It's a M4 GT4 Evo. I don't know if he just put these stickers on himself or if this is what this actual car is from factory, but I doubt this car is from factory like this. It looks super duper good though. I like the whole wrap scheme that it has. We got, what's his face's car over there, the GTR. We actually got some photos of it earlier. It looks super duper good. Check this thing out. It's Godzilla, boys. This guy's also from the group, so what he was telling me is that he bought this wing off of Nick whenever he sold his Audi R8. He actually ended up buying the wing off of him, and I think he said he got this trunk off of like Alibaba or something. He got it super cheap off of somewhere, drilled it so that he could put his hood on there, and it looks really, really good. What I do like though are his Boost Logic exhaust tips. They're like blue titanium, looks super duper good. I like the wrap that he has on it as well. It's like Nardo gray. The Nardo gray with the black accents and carbon fiber as well looks super duper good. Y'all can check it out with these photos that I'm about to get of it, but yeah, it's one of my favorite GTRs, I feel like.
Lamborghini?
Oh yeah, in a flat 6, straight pipe 2. God damn, this is gonna be wild. Oh shit. Well, that's a first time actually seeing the launch control on a brand new 992 GT3 RS. Those things are insane. Oh, that's the same turbo diesel Porsche that was rolling with us last weekend. Alright boys, so from those clips that y'all just saw, we just did a little bit of a video shoot with my friend SPC, or Project SPC. Y'all can go check him out on Instagram. He's a pretty cool dude that actually does wrap jobs out here in Lakeway. So if you're from the area, be sure that y'all go check out his Instagram and give him some work, because those mans, they do some incredible stuff, like I said. So yeah, go check them out. I did a little bit of a video shoot for his brand new car. He just wrapped it, he said, in that like matte black or gloss black, or I don't know what that style color is called, but it looks really good. But yeah, those are super cool people. If y'all enjoyed this video, be sure that y'all like, subscribe, and be sure that y'all turn on post notifications, because me and my friend MT Paradise are going to be doing the Texas Grand Tour here in a couple of weeks. So y'all definitely want to stay tuned to the channel. Be sure that y'all also check out my friend MT Paradise. I'm going to be linking it right here. So yeah, be sure that y'all stick around to both channels, and I'll see you on the next one.